There's one of them. Yeah. That guy is money. We're in our Halo Honks seats. Yeah.
So Sharon, your ex will be up.
Look at Roger Lodge is here at the Honk. Yay! There's Roger Lodge. He's throwing out hats to people. I'm gonna try to get one. Hold on. Look at Roger Lodge. We're following him. Roger Lodge, hey!
A hat for my mom, I think? Yeah, for your mom. I'll walk it up.
Make sure you give it to your mom.
For my kid?
Yeah. What's your name, buddy?
Oh, he's giving away more things. Whoa. You get a... Yeah, I do. Yeah. Yeah! Neto! Halo Honks, yay! Welcome, Halo Honks. That's us. Look, and there's Lodge down there. There he is. Behind that lady. He's still giving away and talking to people. Hey!
Yeah, I want to stay here.
Lodge is still down there doing selfies with fans. I'll see if Paul can go down there. He's going to take a selfie with him.
I was not going to want to do a selfie.
But you need to talk to him.
Oh, okay. He said he would.
He is still talking to fans. He just hangs out here the whole time. Oh, he's just going from fan to fan. Selfies and shaking their hands. See? No way, he's up here with us. Honk, honk, yeah, we're honking. He's way up here now. He actually walked up here. Yeah, they're slapping high-fiving. No way, he's coming up here. Woo! He's just kicking it. Look, he's gonna sit with that fan right there. Right next to us. He's gonna kick it for him. He's just gonna kick it up there for a few minutes. Probably getting tired. I know I would do. I'm all the way up here. I know who that guy is. No way, I need to meet him. That's what's his name from. That's a guy from.
Don't let it fool you.
Is he the Laker guy? It's the guy from the post-game show from the Lakers, I think.
You're saying that while you're filming?
Yeah. I think it's him. Troy said he would be here. I didn't think he'd be right here. Lodge. I can't remember his name. And Stoneman. Right next to us. Alright. I'm gonna go hi to him. So I went down and said hi to him real quick. Pretty cool. Let him enjoy the game. So the Halo Honk guy, the guy that started it all, huh? There he is. With the Lodge. Oh, get it, get it. You got it. There's 103